So I thought I would do a comparison on the sound of a regular C engine and a Quietflite C engine. So let's try the 5003 here. And I don't think I said in my other video, I think this is a 70 model. I haven't looked it up. But what I find interesting is that they have the spot for the older style tag, and they have the newer style like the 70s. I think they started in 1970 with that style, or maybe the late 60s. It's been a while, but yeah, I just thought I'd point that out. But yeah, let's give it a start here. I did turn the gas off. I was gonna put this stuff away, but I said in the one video that I wasn't gonna try to start the Quietflite because there was rust in the tank. But I figured, oh, what the hell? There's a filter on it, right? So I put gas in the tank, and it started after about 4 or 5 pulls. It started right up. And that's after sitting for 2 years. So what are you gonna do? Alright, let's try this one first. This one's still warm. Alright, now let's try the Quietflite. I think there's quite a bit of a difference, if I'm being honest. There really is. So very quiet. I'd say at least 10 decibels. Looks like I gotta fix that. That's just dangling in there. But, so there's a sound comparison between a Quietflite and a like engine of the C variety. Catch you later.